Okay. Got two unboxings. One's a DVD and the other's Blu-ray. Let's unbox this first. The DVD I'm going to be unboxing first. Enough said. I don't know which movie from 20th Century Fox I was going to get. I picked this one. Okay, it's got like promotional featurettes. Cat, Story, Meet Eva, Albert, Nicole, and G. Albert finished all his candy. He picked the candy. And I have to finish. Here's the disc for the movie. Check on the cover. This movie, Enough Said, will be part of the next DVD special in the next DVD update, along with the Town and Spaceballs. Stay tuned for the next unboxing.